Hi guys, how you doing? This is Rich here on behalf of Rich TV Live, and today I want to talk to you about my top 10 stocks for December 2020. Hope you're all having a great day, and hope you guys can follow along as we go through the top 10 stocks for December 2020. Now, our top 10 lists have been doing quite well, and if you go to richtvlive.com and you go to Rich's Picks, you'll always be able to see my picks here. 106 public picks this year with an average peak profit of 147%. And anytime I put in a new pick, it will get listed in my list of picks here. Okay, so you can see 106 picks so far, an average of 147% profit. And we're about to go and break this down right now. If you like this video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And if you would like to comment, please comment on this video. So number 10, CRBK Technologies, Inc. Big fan of CRBK Technologies, Inc. I am actually a shareholder. This is a company that's just getting started. And I love the fact that they only have a 45 million market cap and 30 million shares issued and outstanding. I think that it's an outstanding company. It's just getting started. And I think that this is a company that you need to put on your watch list. You need to put on your radar. It really is so new that they don't even have a Frankfurt listing yet. They don't have a US listing yet. All they have is a Canadian listing. You can see here the high for the 52-week high is $285. The low is $1.40. It's currently at $1.50. I think the upside is tremendous. December could be the time that it explodes. And if it does, I am in. I'm a shareholder. They are my number 10 pick for December 2020. And they also have a deal with Rexall. And as you can see here, they are in the junior healthcare space. So I'm a big fan of CRBK. And do your research, do your due diligence. Let me know what you think. I think this is the time to load up on CRBK Technologies, Inc. And as a shareholder, I'm very happy with this company. I just got in and I'm excited and I'm in for the win. And hopefully I can win big. I only got 2,000 shares. I'm looking to pick up more. I would like to have 10,000 shares. If it continues to dip, I will buy more. But right now at these prices, I'm just watching it. Picked up 2,000, like to pick up another 8,000. If it dips any lower than 150, I'll try to pick up some more. And if it goes to $2, $2.50 plus, I will look to take profits. That's my number 10 pick for December 2020. CRBK Technologies, Inc. Stay tuned to more info on CRBK Technologies. And this is CRBK right here. You can see it's been as high as 240. Actually been as high as 285. Been as low as 140. Currently at 150. I think the upside is tremendous. In number 9, this is one that I brought to the world first. Valio Pharma. VPH in Canada had an epic move last week, was up 26% on Friday. Had a big move here, as you could see, from 75 cents November 2nd. Hit $1.30 on Friday. So big move here for Valio Pharma. And I actually believe that this is just getting started. The Valio Pharma symbol in America is VPHIF. And once again, we're going to look at security details and market cap. Very important to me. A market cap of only 58 million and only 64 million outstanding shares, a very tight share structure, a baby market cap, and a very tight float of only 15 million shares. I love Valio Pharma, okay? VPH in Canada, VPHIF in America. This is my number 9 pick for December 2020. In number 8, I'm going to show you here on bar chart, PEIX, Pacific Ethanol. This is my number 8 pick for December 2020. You can see that it's been as high as $11. And right now it's currently sitting around $6. It's a 56% buy on bar chart. And I just feel like it might have hit a bottom and there's some good upside here. So just looking into this company, it's done quite well. And I think there's a chance that it's going to continue on this path of success. You could see up 16% in the last month, 63% in the last 3 months, and 2,686% in the last year. Hit that high of 1144, retraced, and I feel like we may have found a bottom now, and maybe it does another move back up to $10, $12. So PEIX, put it on your radar, put on your watch list. I think it's another one that has a chance to be a big winner in December 2020, a NASDAQ stock, PEIX. And number 7, SMTS, Sierra Metals. This is a 100% buy, as you can see. This is a 100% buy on bar chart. The bar chart technical opinion rating is a 100% buy with the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of the trend. If you'd like to follow this video, we are live on YouTube. Just search Rich TV Live on YouTube and you can follow us live. This is Sierra Metals Inc. You can see it's been on an epic tear, a 100% buy on bar chart, and they are my number 7 pick for December 2020. You can see here Sierra Metals has been on a nice run, up 60% in the last month, 117% in the last 3 months, and 566% in the last year. In fact, since March. So I think this is one that has a chance to do well. Sierra Metals Inc. is a mining company which engages in the production, exploration, and development of precious and base metals. I think that gold and precious metals have had a nice dip here. This might be the time to pick this up. Its properties primarily include mines in Bolivar Mine, Kuzi Mine. Sierra Metals Inc. is headquartered in Toronto, Canada, and the Yorokosha Mine. So I like metals and I like them when they're down, and metals are down. So this might be one to watch. Okay. So put them on your radar, put them on your watch list. Sierra Metals, SMTS. And I take a lot of pleasure and pride on bringing you picks you've never seen before. This is one that I think has a chance to be very, very big. Okay. And the price is right at only $3. Number 6, my number 6 pick for December 2020 is United Microelectronics Corp, UMC, a 100% buy on bar chart with the top 1% of all short-term signal directions. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of the trend. Now, the market is approaching overbought territory, so be wary of a trend reversal. But I like this pick. It's been on a tear, and it's one that you need to watch. Put on your radar, put on your watch list. You could see up 37% in the last month, 108% in the last 3 months, 240% in the last year, really since April. So it's been on a tear, and I want you to put them on your watch list, UMC. UMC specializes in providing foundry solutions for high-performance semiconductor applications. Its core competency lies in its ability to produce high-yield integrated circuit wafers manufactured on a per-customer basis. The company draws its distinction from industry-leading technology. Put them on your watch list. Put them on your radar. My number 6 pick for December 2020, UMC. Now, if I just go back here and we want to look at some share structures of some of these companies, just go to OTC Markets, type in UMC. You can see it's on the New York Stock Exchange. And when we scroll down, you can see they've got 2.3 billion shares. So lots of shares for them. And if we look at SMTS, Sierra Metals, and we look at their security details, much tighter share structure, only 162 million shares, very tight share structure. I like that a lot. And if we look at PEIX on the NASDAQ, these are my last 3 picks, which I just gave to you guys. Only 68 million shares issued and outstanding, a 458 million market cap for this NASDAQ stock. I think there's room for growth. I believe there's room for growth. So those are my first 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 picks. Now let's give you the final 5. If you like this video, please smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere. Let everybody know that we are live and interactive talking about our top 10 picks for December 2020. Clearly, I can't spell properly today because I didn't even put in the right title. So let me fix that real quickly. There we go. That's better. We'll get that fixed. And let's finish this off with our last 5 picks. So in number 5, Mara, M-A-R-A. Bitcoin has been on a tear. Mara is a blockchain stock, and it has also been on a tear. We're going to pull up its information here. Marathon patent up 46% today, a 225 million market cap, only 52 million shares issued and outstanding, and only 6 million in the float. Love the share structure for this company. It's been on an epic tear, and if Bitcoin continues to rip, Mara will continue to rip, up 46 today alone, 46% today alone on Mara, my number 5 pick. And I believe that they have huge potential. If we go and we pull up Mara, M-A-R-A, you can just see that this thing is just on a tear, and it's going up again after market, another 10%. So this is clearly going up. It's got ridiculous momentum. In September, it was at $1.48, currently at $6.28, and after market at $6.95. So it's like right around this zone right now on an epic tear. They're my number 5 pick for December 2020. In number 4, another blockchain related stock, which has been on a tear, HIVE. HIVE has been on a tear. You could see they went from 32 cents in September to $1.25 on an epic rise and an epic tear. HIVE has been on fire. Now, if we just go and we look at Mara, probably 100% buy, I'm assuming. Let's see. Boom. 100% buy, top 1% signal strength. So you can see here Mara clearly on fire. And I'm assuming HIVE is the same. So we go to HIVE blockchain. We like to find stocks that are on fire in the hottest sectors in the world. Right now, blockchain related stocks, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency related stocks are absolutely on fire. HIVE up 27% today alone. My number 4 pick for December 2020. If Bitcoin continues this meteoric rise, HIVE will continue to rise. 100% buy, top 1% of all short-term signal directions. This stock is absolutely on fire. Now, remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring down the last 3 picks now. So I'm very excited about these picks. It's been an amazing year for our community and for our trading academy. Congratulations to all members. Here is one of my favorite picks, TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness. So TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness, I absolutely love this company. It's been on a epic tear since I brought it to everyone pre-IPO. And you can see here that TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness is up 34% in the last month, 291% in the last 3 months, despite the fact that they have not sold 1 cigarette. Okay, not sold 1 cigarette. Oh, and HIVE, just so everyone knows, HIVE's US symbol is HVBTF. So HIVE blockchain in America is HVBTF. And then TAAT, my number 3 pick, which I've talked about in length and has been a huge winner for our community. I believe this is going to create a buying opportunity at these levels, and we are going to see TAAT go much higher once we start seeing the numbers released. And the US symbol for TAAT is TOBAF, my number 3 pick for December 2020. I think TAAT is on the verge of something really big. We're going to see some sales numbers in December, and that could be a catalyst to see this stock rocket. Remember, we like to buy stocks in the red and sell them in the green. So if a stock is a really good company, and if the company is a really good company, you like the stock, and it dips, that's nothing more than a buying opportunity, okay? A dip is not an opportunity to panic. It's an opportunity to buy, okay? A dip is not an opportunity to panic. It's an opportunity to buy, okay? So when stocks dip, that's your chance to get in cheap. And then when they rip up, that's your opportunity to sell for profit. And what we want to do is we want to identify them early, and we want to identify them before they explode. The next pick is one that I physically own myself, CloudMD Software. CloudMD Software, symbol DOC. I am a shareholder of DOC. I am a fan of DOC. They've been a huge success. You can see here up slightly. We talked about this when it first came out at 50 cents, and I interviewed the CEO the first time at 50 cents. Today they sit at $2.43, been a huge winner for the community, and I think this is a $10 stock. So at $2.43, the upside is still tremendous. I am a holder, I'm a fan, I'm a shareholder, and I've always been a fan of this company. Big fan of telemedicine stocks, telehealth stocks. This is one of the best in the world, but yet still priced at $2. I think the upside is tremendous. Up 17% in the last month, 76% in the last 3 months, 816% in the last year, almost to the date. And the US symbol is DOCRF. So DOCRF in America, a 56% buy in Canada, and a 56% buy in America. They just reported their financials, and they were quite strong. I like them, and I'm a big fan, and I'm a shareholder of CloudMD Software and Services, Inc., my number 2 pick for December 2020. And in number 1, I am a shareholder of this company. They are a $50 billion a year company, and they are the number 1, in my opinion, big board play if you want to get into a vaccine stock that's safe, that's already making billions of dollars, that's already a global giant, and that is priced right. I say Pfizer. So I'm a shareholder of Pfizer. I like what Pfizer's doing with BioNTech. They're going to be getting FDA approval any day now for the coronavirus vaccine, which they will be distributing worldwide. So I love this. I think the timing is right. And I am a shareholder of Pfizer. So full disclosure, I hold 500 shares. And this is a dividend paying stock. They pay 3.95% dividends. So even if you have to hold the stock, you can sit on it and make almost 4% a year on your money. You can see bar chart has it an 80% buy with the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction, which means it has momentum. You can see here, analysts are giving it 5 strong buys, 9 holds, and 1 moderate buy. And it's up 7% in the last month, 10% in the last 3 months, and 37% since March of this year. Big moves for Pfizer, a $50 billion pharmaceutical giant. One of the top pharmaceutical companies in the world. I believe they're ranked 11th. Pfizer Inc. is a research-based global pharmaceutical company that discovers, develops, manufactures, and markets medicines for humans and animals. The company's global diversified healthcare portfolio includes human and animal biologic and small molecule medicines and vaccines. I think it's huge. I think that this is one of the biggest winners in the vaccine race. And because they're already so big with so much money in the bank, I just think that they have a chance to go to $40, $50 and be a big winner for the community. And they're a very good company, very safe company, and the price is right for a giant. When you compare it to other billion-dollar companies, They're priced right. There's a lot of billion-dollar companies priced way higher than Pfizer, and these guys are making $50 billion a year before their revenue on vaccines. So now that you can include their revenues that they're going to generate from the vaccines, I think there's a chance that this goes way higher. And we've seen that. They've been climbing up. So hopefully this continues. I hope you guys like this list. This is my top 10 list for December 2020. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for being here. And thank you guys for supporting the channel. Without you guys, none of this is possible. Always invest in the best. The best is blessed. And we bring you the winners and we bring them to you first. Now, remember, always consult a financial advisor. Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Pfizer is already up after market as well. Let me just give you the top 10 again. In number 1, Pfizer. Number 2, Doc. Number 3, TAAT. Number 4, HIVE. Number 5, Mara. Number 6, UMC. Number 7, SMTS. Sam, Mary, Tom, Sam. Number 8, PEIX. Peter, Everything, Investment, X-Ray. Number 9, VPH. Victor, Peter, Harry. Number 10, CRBK. Charlie, Robert, Bob, Kilo. Thank you for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching. Your boy Rich from Rich to Be Live, bringing the winners, and we bring them to you first. Hope you like my list. If you do, smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere. Your boy's out. Peace.